Hello. Hello to each and everyone. Can you see that I'm upo in this chair? Can you see that? Oh my God. I interview of the one people that make a good thing in their life. To be Ana Bandera. The show must go up. And this is her face. Can you see in the camera?
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm washing clothes.
Washing clothes. Can't you eat your clothes?
No, I do not eat clothes.
So,
I said I'm washing
why do you wash the clothes?
to make it clean.
What do you have, anong ginagamit mong sabon?
Speed detergent soap.
Oh, it's so clean in you?
Yes, it's clean.
Can I see for a sample? Can you,
Here.
oh my God, it's so white. In the kilikili, it's so, what is that? Oh my God, it's so yellow. What is the